Hello everyone, Nate Kopic here with Sherry Chrysler in Piqua, Ohio. Today we're looking at a 2017 Chrysler Pacifica Limited, stock number 27937AT. This one is granite in color. Does have very stylish headlights, nice chrome trim here. It looks to be equipped with 360 camera. 360 cameras are really neat to give you a whole aerial view of the vehicle from each side. We do have fog lights here in the front. Nice chrome trim around that bottom as well. This is a certified pre-owned vehicle. Tires look to be about 100%. Wheels look to be in good shape. Nice SRT4, like a old Dodge Neon look in my opinion. Chrome on the mirrors with the turning signals. More camera for the 360. Got chrome trim around the bottom as well. Chrome on the roof rack. These vehicles get a 125-point inspection on the certified pre-owned program. They also have a 7-year, 100,000-mile warranty. This is like a burgundy, like a red almost trim. For seat memory, power mirrors, windows, and locks. It's also got power premium leather seats. They look to be in excellent condition. Got more of that same color right here on the dash, that red color. It's nice. 8.4-inch Uconnect radio allows you to control things like your backup cameras. That 360 camera I've been talking about, you'll be able to see that up on here. Anything to do with your radio or climate control. We also have climate control things here. Lane sense, park sense, and park it. We also have 2 auxiliary ports here. Little storage area. Plenty of storage in this thing. Cruise control. We have adaptive cruise control as well. Meaning if you got a car and it's 5 feet in front of you, it'll automatically slow down if you have it set to 5 feet or 10 or 15. This allows you to control things in your gauge cluster up in here. A lot of different things you can do up in there. I don't know why I said that twice. Hands-free options. It does have a panoramic sunroof. These things are so nice. I really like these Pacificas. Power sliding doors. Also fully equipped with stow and go, meaning these front seats in the back one's already actually stowed. I put it down just so you can see how much space is in here. But these also fold flat, giving you all this room in here. Not seeing any scratches, dings, or dents or anything. It does have a tow package on it, which is different. There's your backup camera. Power rear hatch. And again, the reason I folded this down is I wanted to show you how much room you have in here. Now, something really cool about this one is its push button. Power rear seats as well. Makes it really convenient. Push buttons, put the rear hatch down. Oh, I didn't. Oh, yeah, I did hit it. Just a little more information on the certified program. 3-month, 3,000 mile maximum care. I went over the 125-point inspection and 7-year, 100,000. We also provide a Carfax, 24-hour roadside assistance, car rental allowance, and a 3-month subscription to Sirius Satellite Radio. A lot of bang for your buck. Again, this is a 2017 Chrysler Pacifica Limited, stock number 27937AT. I'm Nate Kopic. Stop in and see me today, or give me a call at 937-778-0830. Also, make sure to visit our website at sherrychrysler.com.